integrated rate equations. Actually, sometimes this can be asked for derivation, even graph. When we are discussing, I will let you know. But numericals very frequently in the board exam is asked. See, zero order. Suppose I take equation R forming product. How will I write the rate law? Rate is equal to minus dr by dt is equal to K, concentration of R to the power 0. If it is zero order reaction, that I have written. So now that minus dr by dt is equal to K, because anything to the power 0 is 1, that I have omitted. What I did is I just took that dt that side and minus I have written here. So dr is equal to minus K dt. I just changed the format. On integration of this, what is integration of dr? That is r. Integration of dr is r. So we write minus kt. That dt will be t plus I. That is constant of integration we will write. So I have the equation R concentration is equal to minus kt plus I. Whenever I have some constant of integration, I have to get its value. I get the value by assuming something. I assume that time t0, what is the concentration of R? R naught, initial concentration. So time t0, concentration of R is R naught. So this value, I will put it in the first equation. So that t0, this R is R naught. That is what is I? I is concentration of R naught now. So now that value, if I put it here, I will get R is equal to minus kt plus concentration of R naught. Again, I have just shifted this side. Kt on the left hand side, R I took the other side. So this equation which I get is the rate expression, that is the rate law for zero order reaction. Got it? So now I may also write this equation as K is equal to R naught concentration minus R concentration by T. Now using this equation which I have put it in the bracket, if I plot a graph between R concentration and time, okay, so what I have with time will be my slope. The slope is minus K and this R naught is its intercept. So this is the intercept, concentration of R naught. Intercept is R naught, slope is minus K. Parallelly, if I go for this first order reaction, what will I get? For first order reaction, see, you can compare. Minus dr by dt is K, concentration of R to the power 1. So now R to the power 1 means R concentration. You have minus dr by dt is equal to K, R. R I brought down, that dt I have taken the other side. So that is dr by dr is equal to minus K dt. On integration again, I will get like that. Integration of dr by r is ln r, that is natural log. That is equal to minus kt plus constant of integration as I did here. I wrote simultaneously so that you can understand better. So again I get, to get the I value, I take if T0R is R naught. So I will get I value as ln R naught, T0, this is R naught, so I get I value. Putting this I value in this equation, this I value if I put in this equation, I will get this equation. Ln R is minus kt plus ln R naught. Certain changes again. This kt I brought this side, ln R this side. So I got this equation. Again that k is 1 by t ln R naught by R. What is my R naught? That is initial concentration. What is R? At that interval, means final. Means if I say 25% completion, what is left over? 30%, what is left over? This is final. At that time, what is left over is R. I may change this natural log ln into log to the base 10 by multiplying with 2.303. So basically, I will be using this equation for numericals. In our syllabus, we have the numericals based on first order reactions. Okay. Now, with respect to this, we have a graph. See, ln R and T, a graph can be plotted. With T, what is there will be my slope and ln R naught is intercept. Got it? These graphs are, please, very, very important. Same way with respect to this, the second one, the graph, no, with respect to this one, I just change the format here. Log R naught by R can be also written, that T I can take that side, KT by 2.303. With respect to this equation, the second graph is plotted. See, log R naught by R and T, there is nothing, so no intercept, means it will begin from here, intercept is 0, that line I will draw, and the slope comes out to be, this is equal to K by 2.303. These two things are very, very important. Please mark these three graphs and derivations. Numericals we will be discussing based on first order reactions. We have numericals also.